Yo, what's going on, billionaires? We back with another GJ markup analysis, and it's about that time to make some money, right? So let me tell you, I'm gonna go ahead and break down to y'all what we're looking at for GJ. What's the next moves that could be potentially happening in the market, and just what we're looking at overall on the week. So GJ, if you've been following, we have this double bottom forming on our higher time frames, weekly, monthly. So overall, we should be looking pretty bullish on GJ long term, right? But when it comes to our shorter term, that's what we're looking to trade, right? We're looking to analyze the markets for the week, right? So as we can see here, we do have this double bottom forming. Price did break above the neckline of this double bottom, and now it appears to be coming back to do a retest, right? So let's take a look at this potential retest that's happening here. We can see that this week, right, we got some play around this week. Was this Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday? So at the beginning of the week, we can see these doji candles forming over here. What we can also see, though, let me take this off, right, is this head and shoulders pattern that we saw form. Okay, so we do see this head and shoulders pattern after this break of the neckline, right, which is this yellow line that I have drawn in here. Typically, we want to see a retest, right? Typically, we want to see a retest. So this price comes back to retest. What I'm looking for potentially is for price to come back down, bounce off of this level, and then to push up. Like I said, we are in an overall uptrend, right, on our higher time frames, but this price did have to come back down to retest this level, right, again, which is our double bottoms neckline, right? This white box that I have is the double bottoms neckline. Also, what we can see is the perfect close right above, right on top of this zone. We can see price attempted to push into it, and then we have a nice bullish candle going ahead and pushing right up off of that zone. Right, so potentially what I'll be looking for is for price to come back, retest this neckline, right? Come back up in here, test this level, and then come back to our double bottom neckline, and then potentially to push up off of that level. So as this is happening, dropping time frames a little bit, what I'll be looking for, right? So what we want to see is price to continue pushing up. And then once we get a break of this uptrend, right, then we will be looking for price to come back down and then to bounce off of that level. Now, if price wants to continue moving down, right, price wants to continue moving down, I'll still be looking for a retest to this neckline, right, just for the fact that this is a head and shoulders pattern that we're looking at, right? So I would still like to see price come up to this level, and then if we decide to break, we'll be breaking here, right? But this is a pretty strong level that I'll be looking to pay attention to. This is about, what's this, like 156. We'll call it 156, 600. All right. So that's going to be a pretty strong level that we have there. And just from there, just waiting to see, honestly, what happens. Let's remember to stay patient in the markets. It is, what's today? May 15th. So this next couple of months that we're heading to when it comes to the markets are typically pretty solid months for market to begin trending and to just start making some moves. So like I was saying, if we do get this bounce off of this zone and the continuation to the upside, look for GJ to start moving into some nice trends. But yeah, that's all I got for this week. Hope this video was helpful. Hope y'all ready to catch some pips in the market this week, because best believe they coming. As always, remember to stay objective, and I'll catch y'all next week. Let's catch some pips. Love.